Hello, good night, my friends. I am from Cucuta. My city has been characterized by traditionality, having a commercial economy due to its proximity to the border with Venezuela. Two coins usually circulate in the city, the peso and the bolivar. The first being the official currency for several years, the one employment rate present in the city was one of the lowest in the whole country, 123, figure that has been increasing until reaching top position fourth. The most developed industries are those related to construction, especially those that produce cement, bricks, clay, file, and ceramics. And the city is Maiden District. So this activity occupies a privileged place in the economy. The, the cycle characteristics of minerals, especially coal, with low levels of sulfur and moisture, make it attractive in the market. Thank you.